guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching, subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a link in Mks, Mkz or Mkt guys, and you're trying to locate, replace your oil pump, if you have the 3.5, 3.7 engine, stay with us guys. We'll show you where it's located and what needs to be done to replace it. We have the whole long video on the channel because that engine is used on many Ford vehicles as well, and we have it under Ford Edge. Check it out. Now we're going to explain where the pump is and what needs to be done to replace it. So this is guys your oil pump. That's what the oil pump looks like. Okay, let me face it this way. This is how it is attached to the engine. Okay, this is the downside. Now let me explain what needs to be done guys. Quite a bit of work actually, quite a bit of work. You will need to remove your upper intake, or that will need to come out, because you will need to remove left and right valve covers, or front and back valve covers, depending how you read your engine. You will need to remove the valve cover so you can get guys to the timing cover. And this timing cover guys, in order to remove that one, you need to remove all your belts, and you need to use a special puller to remove your crankshaft pulley right here. All that could be done through the side of the engine to remove the crankshaft pulley. Later guys, you need to remove the engine mount, and when you remove the engine mount, you will get to the valve cover right here. Now you have to be extremely careful how you pry that thing out once you remove the bolts, because ours, we broke it in two pieces guys, two pieces, because we were not careful how we do that. And once you do that, timing chain will need to be removed. I'm telling you, this thing is no joke. It takes a serious amount of work, but it's doable by yourself with a minimum amount of special tools. This is a timing tool that's very inexpensive, and you can find it listed in the description of the video below. Okay, this is the timing chain right here. This is the chain, this is the variable timing gears. Okay, so those will need to be removed. And once you do all that guys, this is your engine right here. And you can see this is the water pump. So that will be the time to replace your water pump. Don't wait for later, because you already have the chain off, everything. Now we have to do 8 more bolts and you remove that pump out. And on the crankshaft down there, you will guys see your oil pump installed facing like that. Now you have only 3 bolts that you need to remove. 1, 2 and 1 here, 3 bolts. And there is 2 more bolts that hold that suction cup, that suction tube, the oil suction tube from the oil pan. Okay, right here. This is the tube. And yes, 1 bolt here, 1 on the back side. And you can see where the oil pump attaches. 1 bolt here, 1 over there, and 1 on the side. So pretty much this is it guys. Quite a bit of work. The whole video is on the channel if you need to check it out. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.